Welcome to this new HTML5 lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn about the HTML image tag. The HTML image tag defines an image in the HTML page. Images are not technically inserted into an HTML page, they are just linked to the HTML page. Basically, the image tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. The image element has a number of attributes. Some of these attributes are required and some are optional. The required attributes are the source attribute, which is used to specify the location of the image, and the second attribute is the alt attribute, and the alt attribute is used to specify the alternative text of the image. Let's go to Notepad++ and work with some examples. I have Notepad++ open. I'm gonna come to the File tab, click it, Save As, and here I'm gonna give my HTML document a name, and I'm gonna call it Images Lesson, and come here and choose the HTML extension and click Save. Alright, now I'm gonna start writing my HTML code. I'm gonna start with the doc type, close my doc type tag, and come here and open HTML tag. Okay, I'm gonna nest the following tags. I have the head tag, and inside the head tag I'm gonna add the title and the meta tag. Okay, the title I'm gonna call it HTML image tag lesson. Okay, and here the meta tag, I'm gonna stay with the same declaration with the charset equals UTF-8 and close it. Okay, now I come to the body, and I'm gonna open the tag and say body and close the body tag, and here in the middle I'm gonna click a couple of times and start an H2 tag and close my H2 tag, and inside the H2 tag I'm gonna say HTML image tag. Okay, now I'm gonna work with the image tag. To work with the image tag in HTML, we need to do the following. Open the image tag by saying img. Then here we start with the first required attribute, and that's the src attribute for source, equal sign, double quote, and here I need to provide the path to the picture. My picture is located in the same folder. Let me show you. This is where my picture is, right here. Alright, let me close that, go back. So I'm just gonna say solar system, provide the name of the picture, then the extension of the picture. It's a JPEG picture, so .jpg. Now the other required attribute is the alt attribute, and the alt attribute basically is used to specify the alternative text for the image in case the image does not show for any reason. Then we will provide the text to the user, so it doesn't just hold an empty space like that in our web page. So we're going to tell him solar system picture, just a descriptive text of our picture. Alright, in HTML5 this is how we close the image tag, just by that. We do not need to come here and put the forward slash like that. That's in the previous HTML versions, but in HTML5 all you need is to just close it like you do for the meta tag, the same thing. Alright, and basically that's it for the image. To show the image, I'm gonna press Ctrl S and I'm gonna go to Run, launching Chrome, and that is my picture. This is the solar system picture that I have. Okay, let's close this, and let me take you back here to the HTML5 projects. The way I have my picture here, that's not a good way to organize your files. So the best way to do this is to have the images in their own folder, and the videos in their own folder, and the audio files in their own folder, the CSS files in their own folder, and that's how you should organize yourself. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a subfolder and I'm gonna call it images. Okay, and I'm gonna take my image and drop it there. Alright, let's go back to our Notepad++, and I'm gonna relaunch my web page. Okay, launching Chrome. Notice that we lost the picture, but we have something here. It says a solar system picture, which is this right here, the alt text right here. So why did we lose our picture? Why it's not showing? It's not showing because we moved it to another folder. And remember, as we did in the previous lesson, when we did with the clients, with the links, the same applies with the images. So in order to view the image that's in this subfolder, we need to go back here and put the name of the folder. So we called it images / solar system.jpg. Okay, let's save all this. Let's run it again in Chrome, and now it's back. That's nice. Okay, the other thing I would like to talk about is how to insert an image from another server. Basically, you're gonna insert an image in your web page, but this image does not reside in your server or does not reside in your local hard disk. It's on another server. Basically, you need to get it from the internet, from another website. And let's do that. I'm gonna go to Google and type the following: Petrif Park. Yes, that's in Boca Raton. Their fitness trail. All right, I'm gonna take this picture right here, right click on it, and come here and say copy image address. All right, so I'm gonna close this, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come here and start another image tag, and I'm gonna say image source equals, and now I'm gonna paste that URL address that I get for the image, which is all this that you see here. Then I'm gonna say alt equals, and I'm just gonna say Petrif Park, just something like that. All right, so I'm gonna press Ctrl S, come to the run, and launching Chrome, and there is my picture of the Petrif Park. It's right here. All right, this is not a good way though to add images to your website. Reason number one, for copyrights. The second reason, maybe this website will not exist anymore, or the picture itself will be removed from the site, and therefore you lose the picture in your site as well. So that is not a good way to add pictures, but I just showed you how you can add pictures from other websites. Maybe you have more than one website and you want to share pictures between your own sites. You can do it this way. Now let's talk about something else. Let's talk about making a picture a link to another website. How do we do that? It's very simple. If I come here to the, let me first remove this picture that I got from Petrif Park. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna do the following. I'm gonna do a href equals, and here I have the following web address which I'm going to paste. So I'm gonna press Ctrl V to paste it, and this is the website of the NASA. So I'm gonna come here, and at the end I'm gonna close my anchor tag. So now the image is embedded, as you can see, or nested in this a tag, anchor tag. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this image to a link to the NASA website. I'm gonna save all. I'm gonna come to the run, launch in Chrome, and here when I move my cursor towards this picture, it's gonna turn to a hand. I see it. That tells me that it's a link. This picture in fact is a link to another web page. I'm gonna click it, and here it took me to the NASA website. That's how it works. This is basically how we work with images in HTML, and with this we come to the end of this lesson. I would like to thank you for watching, and you have a good day.